In this video, I will show you how to connect Mailchimp to Claude using the InsightfulPipe MCP and generate a full email campaign performance report. First, go to InsightfulPipe connectors and choose Mailchimp from the available platforms. Set the permissions to read plus write and click Connect to Mailchimp. Log in with your Google account to authorize Mailchimp access. Review the permissions and click Allow to authorize InsightfulPipe. Your Mailchimp account is connected. Click Save Connection. The connection is saved. Now copy the Mailchimp MCP Server URL from the guide page. In Claude, go to Settings, then Connectors, and click Add Custom Connector. Paste the Mailchimp MCP URL, name it Mailchimp, and click Add. The Mailchimp connector is now added and connected to Claude. Now let's use it. Write a prompt asking Claude to pull email campaign performance data from Mailchimp for the last 30 days. The prompt also asks Claude to analyze each campaign, identify the best and worst performers, and generate a structured report with insights and recommendations. Claude connects to your Mailchimp account through InsightfulPipe and starts pulling campaign data for the last 30 days. It retrieves all sent campaigns with their full performance reports and begins building the analysis. Here is the finished report. It covers 10 campaigns with over 225,000 emails sent across the 30-day window. The executive summary shows key metrics like a 31% average open rate and 8% click rate, both exceeding industry averages. The campaign performance table ranks all 10 campaigns with open rates, click rates, and revenue attribution, color-coded by performance tier. The report highlights 6 key insights, from promotional emails driving the best results to send timing impacting performance. It also includes actionable recommendations for subject lines, content strategy, send timing, and audience segmentation. That's Mailchimp connected to Claude using InsightfulPipe. If you'd like to try more MCP servers for your marketing platforms, visit insightfulpipe.com today.